Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Jeannie from Dollhouse Rescue. Today let's go to the Dollar Tree and see what we can find for miniatures for our dollhouses. One of the first areas that I look in at Dollar Tree is the party and decorations area. A lot of times you'll see little party favors or maybe even candles that will work well in a miniature setup. I don't see anything here today that catches my eye, but a lot of times I do find things in this area. Here are some sparkly things that are really pretty. I can almost think of a few things I could use these for. Now you're talking. They don't always have these at Dollar Tree, but when they do, I always buy them. They're great for dollhouses and make fun gifts too. On to the toy section. Something tells me we'll find a lot of fun things here. These are super cute. I've seen a lot of fun things done with these. Did you know if you buy two of them, you can hook them together and it will actually make a whole little house? I have seen people completely repaint them and make things like tiny haunted houses out of them or little playhouses to go with their bigger dollhouse. It comes with little tiny furniture that you can use in your playrooms for your dollhouses and little tiny people that make great dolls. For $1.25, you just can't beat it. I already have two of these at home, so I'm not buying any more today. Here are some more awesome dollhouse items. This little dollhouse furniture is well made and it's made out of wood. I've seen people repaint these and decorate them and add to them and put them in a variety of dollhouses. I recently repainted one and put it in one of my Mark's dollhouses along with plastic furniture. It looks really good. These little Barbie pets and accessories are a nice size to work in many, many dollhouses and make a really cute addition to them. I have bought several of these in the past to use in my dollhouses. They are a really good size. Oh, and there's some more pretty Barbie accessories. I better get a package of those. These little packages hold some miniature things in them. They're really tempting. I almost bought some, but I passed them up for today. But these little dolls are a nice size too. I don't need any zoo animals today. Maybe if I was going to make a zoo, I'd get them. Oh, but these little dogs and cats are adorable and are just perfect for my dollhouse. In fact, I have a Mark's Pet Shop I'll probably put them in. Oh, look, dinosaurs. What could I use those for? Well, maybe for out in the garden or for a Halloween setup. Could be fun. My grandson would love it. These little people could be a fun addition to my dollhouse land. You know, I recently got a dollhouse airport. I could see adding a few of these little construction worker guys to the airport. These little charms have possibilities, as well as little vehicles. Bags of miniature things. This got my attention. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna have to get one of those. I think I should have got more than one. Well, gonna have to go back to Dollar Tree another day. I check out everything that's little. There's so many possibilities. You guys let me know. What do you think? What have I overlooked? What should I have gotten? I can always go back. I'm pretty sure I need a fire truck for my airport. I better put that on my list for my next trip. Even these little buildings, I think they would be cute added to a dollhouse town. Don't forget to check the bottom shelf, especially in the toy aisle. I often find cute little things there. Look at this furniture. It's a little big for my dollhouse, but it might fit in yours, or it's fun for the kids to have to play with. Most of the Dollar Trees have a section for fairy garden items. These are so fun to put around your dollhouse. Some of the items can go inside, some can go outside in the garden, or maybe you'll want to make a fairy garden. I have bought a lot of these in the past, so I didn't buy any today, but I always check it out to see what cute items they have. These cute things are right next to the stickers in the Dollar Tree, but they're actually little wooden cutouts. They are just perfect for dollhouses, and I have bought a lot of these in the past. Look at those tiles, very cute. And now we come down here to where there's like little clocks. They are just perfect, and I buy quite a few of them, and I bought another package today. You can't find a better price on stickers anywhere, and some of them have a lot of possibilities. This set, I bought 2 of them, and then I glued them together front to back, so I made 3-dimensional little planters for my dollhouses to put out on their patio. You can even stick a little sprig of greenery in there so it looks like a plant. There are a lot of decorating possibilities with a lot of these stickers. I better check them out a little closer. You know, I have a dollhouse that needs a window. Maybe I could use that sticker to make a window in my dollhouse. These stickers have a lot of possibilities. You can use them to make hangings or decorations to put on the walls of your dollhouses. I always check the office supplies. Sometimes I need glue, but sometimes, even more fun, they'll have erasers that are in cute shapes that I can buy. One time I bought some that was shaped like animals and monkeys. I don't see anything like that today. But I do need some of these Sharpies. I use these when I rehab dollhouses to fill in colors of different areas, and these colors are colors that I don't already have. I better get a few of them. While we're at the office supply area, let's look at these big pieces of paper. Sometimes I buy these green ones and lay them under my dollhouse to look like grass, and I often buy this foam core board. It's a lot cheaper to buy it here than anywhere else, and I use it to make walls and furniture and stairs and other fun things in my dollhouse. I better grab one. On to the craft supplies. I try not to buy craft supplies unless I have a particular project that I'm ready to work on. That way I don't have to store a lot of craft supplies that I'm not using. I've got craft sticks at home, so I'm going to pass those up today. But a lot of this stuff gives me ideas for future projects. Oh, I have bought these cute little chalkboards before and used them in my dollhouses. You can actually write a shopping list right on them. They are so cute. I always have to see what they have, and I get a lot of good ideas, but I'm not going to buy anything today. I don't have any craft projects in mind. There's a little X-Acto knife. I have one of these in my workshop that I use all the time. If you don't have one, it's a good price. You better get one. Wait a minute. I think I missed something. Let me go back and look. Oh, let me see. There it is. There it is. I do have a craft coming up where I could use those beautiful sequins. Better get them while I'm thinking about it. I always check the hair care aisle. You don't know what you might find. Maybe something miniature, maybe something on a barrette, maybe something sparkly that you could add to some dollhouse furniture. There's a lot of possibilities here, and I always check it out. I've seen people add sparkly things like this to their furniture, and it looks so good. Another thing I always look for are those little tiny miniature stickers that are made to put on your fingernails. Those little stickers are really nice to make plates out of or other items for your dollhouse. I don't see any of those here today, but I'm just going to take a once-over look anyway. More bling bling items. There's definitely a lot of possibility with these things. Here's something with a little small print that would be very appropriate for a dollhouse. Stay till the end of this video and I will show you what cute things I make with this that only takes me just a few minutes to make. I always keep a few of these on hand. I like to use them to store my extra dollhouse items, especially my extra dollhouse furniture. They're lightweight, they're inexpensive, and they store very, very nicely. I'm not buying any of these baskets today, but I have bought them in the past. I have seen people clip the grills out of the middle of these and use them for dollhouse windows. They work perfectly for that. This is seriously one of my favorite cleaners. I use it at home all the time, and I also use it to clean my dollhouses. I better get a bottle. I think I'm running low at home. I've had mermaids on the brain lately, so I had to stop and look at these. I've actually seen people use food items like this and use them to make a mold to make little tiny toys and other items. I am so tempted to try that, or maybe I'm just a little bit hungry. I don't know. I guess I'll pass them by today. This is the spring and seasonal aisle. I better get a few of these to decorate my dollhouse with. It's always fun to change your dollhouse decorations with the different seasons, and I definitely need some spring items. Here's the area with the dog treats. I can't honestly say I've ever found anything for my dollhouses in this aisle, but you never know. Also, same here. This is the little electronic aisle. I don't know. I might find something someday, but nothing there today that interests me. One last area to check out. I always look at the flowers. You can sometimes cut these flowers down, and sometimes they're small enough to use as they are to make bouquets or centerpieces or garden items for your dollhouse. Just as I promised you, Now I'm going to show you what I did with this cute baby bib. First, I cut off all the trim, and then I just cut it down into little squares and rectangles and used them for baby blankets and quilts and mattresses. The print was just the perfect size, and it didn't fray, so it was wonderful to use. Thank you for joining me on my trip to the Dollar Tree, and please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you.